running. Got all the wires hooked up. Got the exhaust hooked up. Now, next on the build is the rear end, which has been soaking overnight. That's next. Hey, guys, give me an idea what I could use for a steering wheel. Thinking about maybe a bicycle handlebar or something. Haven't figured out. I still gotta hook up some throttle cables. Maybe some gas pedal on the bottom. Or one on the handlebars. I'm thinking about a bicycle handlebar, or I don't want to stay with the ordinary steering wheel. So give me some ideas. It's I believe it's my 5th update on 21 horsepower V-twin Briggs Stratton. Alright, talk to you guys later. Please subscribe and like my posts. Have a nice day.